Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching Spin News Network. It's time to 6 p.m. headlines. I'm Madiha Saeed. Claimed recovery of 210 billions by ending the occupations of 36 leagues. Shahzad Akbar said that Khurram Dastagir will recover lands worth rupees 9 million. Expressing the reservations over government actions across Punjab on Noon League. Saad Rafiq said that a surprise list is being prepared for the league leaders' occupations as will not go now. 20 members squad for T-Series 20 announced. A vaccination is being loaded on Pakistan Air Force plane at Beijing and reached in Pakistan in next few hours.